Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see an easy to make delicious melt in mouth sweet Kachagolla. This is a Bengali sweet made with milk. For the recipe I am going to take 1 liter of milk. Bring this to a boil. The milk has started boiling. To this add the juice of half a lemon. Give a nice mix and wait for the curds to get separated. So here you can see that the curds has got separated. We are going to collect the curd by using a cloth. To avoid the sour taste of the lemon, we have to rinse this with water. We have to drain the water completely, so hang this for an hour in some place. This is after an hour. We have got a solid paneer, that is cottage cheese. Let us crumble this. Now let us divide this equally. Transfer 1/2 into another plate. We are going to use this later. To the other half, add a tablespoon of sugar and give a nice mash. You have to mash this and make it soft. You can see that this has turned very soft now. This has turned like a soft dough now. Let us transfer this into a pan. Crumble this again. To this add a big pinch of cardamom powder and a 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Switch on the stove and start stirring this. No lump should be formed. You have to give a nice stir. So here everything got mixed well and turned creamy. You have to stir this continuously to get a thick mixture. Finally it has to be thick like this. Now take the other half. This second half will be little hard with no sugar. We are going to mix the first half and the second half. The one we mixed with condensed milk will be super soft. Mixing these two will get a nice texture. Finally it will be like this. Now take some milk powder in a plate. Spread this evenly. Now take the cheese mixture and make small balls out of it. The balls are ready. We are going to coat this with milk powder. So here our Bengali Kachagolla is ready. It will be super soft and very delicious. Do give a try. This will taste so good. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do share, comment and like our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.